Okie dokie. Cool. Cool, cool. Whoopsie. Go. We are good and ready to rumble. You little fluff. Bam. Ba-da-da-da. One thing at a time. I'm not going to lie, I'm not loving how December price action looks at all. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I'm in the green for today, so I mean that's quite cool. That's nice. That's fine. But let's let's see what else comes of this. We don't want to now become silly geese just because we need to get, well, we want to get a trade in, right? I need to just keep reminding myself about that as well. That's what I'm doing. I knew I was doing something. I just had to remember what it was. Ta-da. Ta-da. Oh, bonjour. Je ne sais pas. How's it going, Rip? Have you gotten any trades in? Did you witness this? Like, what even is this? Why even is this? Maybe that's a better question. Why is this? Did something special happen at 9 AM that I don't know about? New York opens 9:30, right? Just, you know, just confirming. I mean, Rip, there's your level gone. There's Tyson's level gone as well. And Bob's level, so all three levels have indeed been hit. Okay, the duck, yep. Let's focus. What's the usual plan? So usual plan, mark opening. Got a mark opening price, right? Maybe mark opening range, depending on what today's going to bring. But I mean, today already looks... yeah, just yeah. Then we'll mark the 10 as well. Do you do the 9, the 10, or the 9:30 and the 10? I've now got it sussed for London. London, I know it's 3 AM and 4 AM. But with regards to New York, we just focus on the opening and then we go from there. But I mean, as long as you have paid the duck, Rip, then whoop whoop indeed. And you mark the opening price and the closing price, not open and open, like I did last time. That was silly. Okay, but I mean, that whole gap has been taken. I think it's raining outside. Anyways, doesn't matter. Hey, Kayoshi, how's it going? Sorry if I said that wrong. I forgot to do. I forgot one last thing. My bad. Hey, Dom, how's it going? Jordy, my friendship, what's up? Mark the daily low. I mean that also. Sorry, I should do that. Let me mark. Nope, that's not it. Jump to yesterday's. Here we go. You say daily low, I say London low, but either way, low is low. Okay. London low, okay. London low. I mean, this is theoretically now London high. Now I'm confused because Celestial confused me. New York starts, like the New York Open starts at 9:30 a.m., correct? Because then theoretically this is still London high. Those were now taken. Now these last two. And just potential points of interest that I must take note of. Also, by the way, this, remember during London we said if we move this stop loss further down, ooh, maybe it still would have hit, well actually no, we said what if entry was closer to here. Entry closer to here, then stop loss could be at 0. How perfect would that entry have been? That would have been such a good trade. But anyways, I looked at that and thought it was interesting. Give me 2 seconds, I missed something. Just in case, okay. Okay, cool. Thank you, Rip, because I got a little bit confused there. What am I trading? Hey, Crispy, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. How's it going? Wow. Hi. Listen, there's a lot. There's a lot that goes into this. I'm just saying. Have a look just a moment. No problem. Hey, Solly, what's up? Why are you awake? Solly, are you good? I was like super excited. I'm like, Solly's here. And then I was like, wait, Solly's here. Why is Solly here? It's like the middle of the night for you. Are you good? Marked. Okay. All these have officially been marked. We're good now. I must check on the higher time frame quickly with regards to this gap. Check the 5-minute. Yeah, my Christmas tree is still up there. 15-minute. There we go. Oh, it took out these equal height. Why did I not have this marked? Maya, you chopstick. Okay, let's see now. Then we have still some more to fill in over there. Cool, let me just check. Close your eyes if you don't want to be blinded. Okay, I've got that. Awesome. Whoa! Interesting. The first presented fair value gap from ages ago. Huh. Anyways. Pokidon, what's up? How's it going? Hi everybody. Sorry, I'm focusing for a minute. Am I from Russia? No, I'm. Okay, Dominique, you think we're gonna go up at market open? Interesting. I'm from South Africa, by the way. What? You know Solly? Dylan, what's up? 25750. Okay, let's mark Dom's level. We got a Dom level. Good morning. Hey. What's up? I see it normal looking. Waiting for because I'm pretty deep in core options. Good luck today. Cold Chicago. Hey Marty. Oh, thanks. Can't sleep now. I'm sorry, Solly. That really sucks. That's not nice. Oh, thanks, Dylan. You're so sweet. Here we go again, Batman. Hey, Sean, how's it going? I got $100 profit today. Whoop, whoop, shorts. Green is green. Green is green. I have 3, 830, and 930 as vertical lines. If anyone's asking. Okay. Okay. Now is pullback. Astronauts, you like girls? Nice. So London and New York. Thanks, Geordie. Zone fair value gap now, basically, and this is also just fair value gap. Hey, what do I think about the AI bubble? I've heard quite a bit about it. I don't have much of an opinion, if I'm being honest. Where in KZN am I from? Craig, asking some personal questions over there. Why do you want to come visit? I know it is December. I'm an artist. I draw flies. Ben? Nice. I mean, are they cute? Bruce, how many tattoos do I have? I have quite a few tattoos, if we're being honest. You can only see this one. I have my whole back as well. And my leg. Yes. You know, I have a few on my leg. Not enough is the answer to that. Hey, Inns, what's up? You're in Berlin. Oh, nice, Craig. How is it there now? It has silly season started, so I'm more South Coast. It's not a bubble line? Oh, okay. Geordie, what's happening? You're trying to sort things out now? Yeah. This is... Oh, that is so cool, but too painful. Too painful? Nah. No, I'm lying. Not quite okay. Numbing cream. The way to go. Went right over your head. Yes. Oh. Ben. Okay, cool. Sorry. Sorry, some things do. I'm very... yeah. I'm fine with things going over my head sometimes. Do I swing trade? Yeah. More of a scalper than a swing trader. What's the pin comment for? Oh, if you guys use prop firms and you want to show some support, or if you want to get some discounts, you can use my affiliate code. It's TeachMaya. And you get some discounts in the prop firms that are in the description below. So if you use any of them, or if you want to go check some of them out and you want to get a discount, you can use my affiliate code. That's what that pin message is. Devin? Happy, what's up? Rage start. Oh no, Craig. Rage really started yesterday. Ugh. Yuck. Sorry. That sounds terrible. I never went to Rage. I've never felt the need or want to either. I can't understand. I can't understand the need to do it. It just seems like a waste of money, but you know. Somebody gotta keep him in check. Okay, positive people. Right. That's. Hey, Michael. How's it going, by the way? Didn't show them what my tattoo is. Oh, show my setup. Oh, well, I mean, no, I'm joking. You gotta stay to see the secret sauce. Again, I'm just joking. It's not really secret sauce at all. Attention. Yeah, Dom. Well, I am focusing. We got this. 1 minute to go. Don't worry. I got one eye on the chart, one eye on the chat. Multitasking. Like a boss, kind of. Is this... Are you asking if this is New York session or the NASDAQ futures? Yeah? We're going? We're getting? What just happened? Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Okay. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. What just happened to the Wi-Fi? What the heck? Are we working? We alive? Okay, we're... I can imagine the answer to that is holy lag. Sorry guys, I don't know what happened there. It literally had a moment as New York opened. Sorry. You show the time, the session time. Yep. Solly, what is Rage? It's basically a matric students come down to this side of the world and it's a whole big party, basically, but it's specifically for like matric students that have now finished matric and they just want to go and party, and I guess you could call it a festival, but bleh. No? Really? They look different? No, these are the same ones. That's interesting. Thanks, Michael. Yes, noted. So, Geordie, this does not count as first presented, right? Again, I'm also jumping the gun, assuming that this is not going to go back up, but I'm just confirming. Okay, wait. We also gotta go open. I'm also gonna draw a range. See if it pops out of the range. I'm trying, Rip. I'm trying. I'm trying to make sure. Whoop. Okay, well that's nope. Again, don't jump the gun. I was about to say that's definitely first presented, but again, just chill. Gotta wait. So about my name, this day trading, and also if so, what's the difference between this and like penny gambling? I know you're not using penny monopoles, but is that it? Oh, I'm just gonna call you Puck if that's fine. Yes, this is day trading, and there's quite a bit of difference between gambling and trading if you're doing it correctly. Trading can be gambling if you're doing it incorrectly, but for the people that do it correctly, it's not gambling. They're getting all the stop losses, the weapon up. Hey, boom! Where's the high Maya? But also thank you, boom. How sweet. Hey, finally got first presented. Whoop, 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 boop, 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 boop. It's small, but it's there. Ooh, oh no. It's small, but it's there. There we go. Not even tapping into that range, cool. I don't really think I need this anymore. I just thought it was interesting to have it there, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Did I, bro? No, I don't think I did. Did I? I was... Bro, what's up? Geordie, I feel like maybe I did. What are we gambling on? High life? Yeah. Modern required. I thought I did. Did I not understand? I know you said you had, but you said you had a vertical line from that, and that. Not a horizontal. Now you got me questioning my life. That's okay, Puck. We broke VWAP? Yes, we did, Dom. Definitely. We definitely broke through VWAP. Or VWAP, however you want to say it. Pretty honestly, what is this price action? Indeed, what the heck, man? Whoa! Okay. Okay then. Anyone in on the short? Anyone super chuffed with, I don't know, everything right now? I don't know what I was expecting from today, but this was not it. This This was definitely not it. What the heck? What do I trade? I trade the Nasdaq futures. Rip, you're done for that? Ice cream day trading is far harder than investing, but you can make much more. I didn't give her the indicate. Oh, okay. Ice cream forever. Oh, ice cream's back. Told you to note the low just in case. Well, just in case, indeed, Rip. That thing went to the freaking center of the earth right there. Okay, I'm hands off until this can calm down a little bit. I'm not good. Well, I'm not that good. No, I'm not good yet. So let's all calm down. Hey Ricky, what's up? Do I think it's gonna go back up? I mean, I would assume it's gonna go back up now that's just taken all the lows. However, you know, maybe New York session is the reversal. It's been very bullish today. Maybe it is the New York reversal and we're gonna start being bearish again, but you know, trend is friend and we're still bullish, so. I can confirm something's going on. High life, what's going on? What's that? No, joking. Take a look at Bioa kids fishing. Don't even know what that is, sorry. Waiting the zone to be up, then come back, okay. Put all your money on Sheena Inu. Captain Blackbird? Don't worry, Dom, I got your level there. I know you think it's gonna go back up. I'm waiting for confirmation now. Let's see. Again, not quite brave enough to do that just yet. How big is this? I mean, I guess I could have, if I wasn't feeling great about it, I could have gone in for like one contract. I had my 3 confluences. Easy. Maybe it was a mistake not to have taken it, but let's wait for confirmation. With that massive drop down, I'm assuming it's super volatile, so let's rather sit on our hands, wait for confirmation, wait for things to calm down before hopping into anything. Chip, you think... Don't wait on that block, it's trending down. Ice cream forever, exactly, it's not easy. No real topic, I expect a move up. Oh damn, Ricky, okay. Geordie, okay. Yes, Rip. Aye, Captain. Okay, so I don't have to do anything, just sit, watch, let's observe, wait for the volatility. Imagine this was the whole move for the day. I will be a grumpy goose. Well, I said, I'm green for the day. I am in the green, so it's not exactly necessary to take a silly trade and potentially lose everything. Literally, because I didn't put the correct amount of contracts in. I should have made a little bit more, but still. Let's not be silly and get into the red today. That would be a silly goose move. Ice cream forever? Do you trade? I have ES right here. ES and NQ drive each other. Well, to be fair, ES technically drives NQ, but gold and NQ have nothing to do with one another. Oh, on the eval. Okay, Jordy, that makes sense. There we go. Meat, what's up? Kids fishing? Hey? Todorov? Todorov. I'm sorry, I think I said that wrong. How are you? Evan, am I married? No, I'm not married. But is everybody else ready for this? Dominique, your entry is 25660. For a buy, right? And you're not concerned about the first presented fair value gap? Because this kind of looks like a little bit of an impulse and correction type of scenario going on right now. Could be wrong. It could be wrong. I'm just saying I might need to go grab a Josie. Hey! I'm gonna call you Batty. Is that okay? Batty Michael. You're from Nigeria. Welcome, welcome. I'm from South Africa. How are you doing? I haven't. I've heard I need to watch the movie Margin Call. I've heard it's really good. I've watched Wolf of Wall Street, if that counts. Yeah, look, Solly. Cool. I'm glad it's not just me that was like, yeah. Does it work on what? My strategy? Again, theoretically, every strategy is a winning strategy if you use it correctly. Oh, this is going to make me grumpy. No, it's not. It's not. Just leave it alone. Jordy, you still in this? Ben, really? You really think so? Do I trade currencies? I don't, sorry. Sub-Zero, you're from Peru. That is so cool. Welcome. Give you something about time for you to study on the weekend. That way you can understand what, where, when. Thank you. Appreciate it. I really need to watch it. Is it that good? I have heard. Oh, Bob. I'm sorry, Bob, but if anyone's the pimp here, it's you. I'm just saying. Maybe the pimp is Rip. I'm not actually sure. Anyway, how's it going? I'm saying looking at actually like no, not so much Ice Cream Forever. Disagree with that one. Respectfully. But, you know, respectfully disagree. Jody, 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 Jody. Nice, nice, nice. It looks promising, but again, I'm still a silly goose, so I can't give you lucky duck inspirations. So, fine. We have volume 2 long early. Reland for golden ratio. 2 unbalanced supply. Don't use order flow, big up statistics and make. Apart from YouTube, what else? Are you live? What is the red chat? Oh, Kathy, so I have 2 things live on YouTube. I have a horizontal and a vertical stream. So that's what that is. It's the combined chats. Yeah, of both horizontal and vertical. You're done trading for today. They took my snapshot out of my entry and then ran by. Oh no! Some guy? What the heck? Well, I mean, you saw yesterday what happened to me. I can imagine that feeling is something else entirely. What the heck? So, some guy, out of curiosity, you go on hikes and stuff to make sure you do not trade over the weekends. Am I correct in saying that? It kind of forces you to not place trades on weekends? You draw a 20 trend line from Monday's low. Good grief. Let me go to the 4 hour. Let me find. What was Monday? The 1st. Do you want it on? No, that's September, you absolute knob. Maybe let's not do the 4 hour because I don't know how accurate that one will be then. But on the 4 hour, here we go. Oh my great giddy aunt. Okay, but there we go. You get. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Back to the 1 minute. That was awful. I'm so sorry. Okay, moving on. Did I get it? Oh, I did not the best job. I did kind of get it though. There we go. That's kind of the general idea. Sorry, Geordie. I am so sorry. You guys are gonna be yelling at me for that one. My bad. Anyways, Hector, what's up? Hey, house. How you doing? The range FX high. Still got your levels marked out. Oh, I deleted the wrong one. I got this level marked out. Yep, at the bottom here. Here's a bob level. Look, I took out the one that was around here. Where was this level? This level was... Shoot, Bob, where was this level? But I got this one. I was just deleting everything like a chop, and I forgot to delete that level. I'm sorry. I mean, I forgot to keep that level, not delete that level. Oh, solid. I don't even know what's happening, but I just read that. I was like, yep. Okay, thank you. What would you say your strategy is based on? I use mainly imbalances combined with liquidity sweeps. These past 2 weeks have been bad for my funded challenge, but we push on. Kamsi, so mine is market auction theory, but again, there's a little bit more that goes into it. So to give you an idea, this is my strategy. I use a GAN box, top of the range, bottom of the range. 50% would be the entry. So this is where kind of the market auction theory comes in. You want the premium and discount. But I need at least 3 confluences. So with this trade, I'm not in this trade just because the volatility was a little bit too much for me. But with regards to confluences, I would have VWAP, first presented fair value gap. This other fair value gap, which, you know, imbalance, whatever you want to call it. So this would be my 3 confluences for this trade. It's slowly heading down there. Does 930 have a wick? A very little one. Rip. A very, very little one. If I zoom in, you can see it's a teeny tiny little one. I did draw here. Go watch trades by Sai. Who's that, Hector? Sorry, I'm catching up on the messages. I am, like I said, I'm trying to focus a little bit more. I said it earlier, day trading is far harder than investing. I'll change up your trading strategy and experience. Thanks, Hector. I'll go have a look. Wait, let me go copy paste this, Control C. And wait. Notepad. Should probably see what's happening. Okay. Shorty, is this kind of what you wanted? What currency? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, sorry. Go long on silver, copper, and rare earths. You think it's gonna start shooting up? You'll see that's very wide 5-minute opening range. Ice cream forever. Sully, do you trade full time? Not full time yet, still work. I mean, ice cream forever. There's plenty. Should I do a poll and see who trades full time? 540. Is 540 a level, Bob? But yeah, literally ice cream forever. Actually, I'm not going to do a poll. I don't think anyone has to prove themselves. This might sound rude. Sorry if this comes across as rude, but I don't think anyone has to prove themselves to you. I know a lot of people that do this full time, and they love it, and they're profitable, and they're comfortable. I know 20. Nah, how old is Thomas? He's 20, hey? No? 21. I don't know. Thomas is 20, 21. Does this every day. And he's profitable, living his best life. DJ, I don't know what happened. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks, some guy. Yeah, guys, don't forget to press that like button. Thank you. Too little, too late. Cool. Good for you. You're making money today. Well, I mean, I made money today. We are in the green. Jordy's being really quiet. Is this what you wanted me to do? Everything you don't about premium discounts, so my trading goes as following. Sweeps for belly up premium discount and engulfing. Ooh! A little bit, Cams. It kind of sounds similar. It sounds similar. Body, yes. 540, 540, 540, 540, 540. 540, we got a bob level. Gotta love that. Bob. I'm keeping all my bobs. All my bobs in a row. No more all your ducks in a row, it's all your bobs in a row. There we go, 540. Done. Michael, why don't I try have the S&P 500? Right here. I do. Yes, right here. I do constantly watch it. Watch what it's doing, how it's taking out the low. It is driving it slowly. Down, down, down. Hey Celestial, how's it going? Health cost from stress. I would be skeptical that they were in profit. Ice cream? Oh, that's low-key funny. All the weirdos still in this yeah! Oh! Yes. Sorry, Rip. I thought you meant like in general. Who's making money? I was like, okay. Yes, the sellers are making money right now. Sorry. My bad. Apologies. In at 9:33 after break even. Oh, nice, Celestial. Whoop whoop, indeed. If we don't have buying volume, we cannot break lower. In the factory, hey, how's it going? That's called exhaustion, and we're going back for the highs. So essentially, we are just, I don't know, taking out some liquidity and waiting to start shooting up. That sounded terrible. But the slower it goes, more people are getting convinced to buy. Why would I care? You so I don't know, Rip. Maybe you care that I'm in the green today. Okay, you know, I thought maybe you cared about that. That's on me for thinking you liked me. Wow, I'm being full of rubbish today. I'm gonna shut up. Anyway, somebody, what's up? How's it going? Thanks, Celestial. Hey. Long from double bottom. Look at liquidity. You made profit today. Whoop whoops. Whoop whoop. Not whoop whoops. Whoop whoop. That's amazing. Well done. Your core. My core. Such a drama goose. You know what? Drama goose and proud of it. Okay. Let's do this. Hey, Matt Seeley, how you doing? Somebody, thank you. Welcome. What are you trading? Somebody, men. Here we go. Joy of travel. What's up? How you doing? How you doing? How's it going? I'm gonna have a heart attack. I'll put it back up now. Jordy's not gonna love this. I know Jordy's probably focusing on his trade right now, but this is kind of funny. Bad, but kind of funny. Micro time 10 open. Where are we at? Nope, not yet. 10 is nearly. Okay, Rip, I want to see how accurate, because obviously I'm not in a trade, so it makes no difference to me, but I want to see how accurate your predictions could potentially be. At 10, do you think we're going to go up or down? iTunes trading? No, wait. I did have a break. I had like a 4-hour break. I went to the stables, chilled, you know. I've only been live for like 40 minutes now. Volume buyers is going up. Dom, so you think the buyers are going to start taking control? Totally normal to bounce on that 30-second deviation. No, what the? Joy of travel? I have no idea. I was waiting for range like it's been doing the whole time, and then all of a sudden it just did this. I was not expecting that. Boom, color just pop button. 24-hour trader Sali, can you imagine? Can you imagine? Okay, so it broke below, which means we're now going to start going down. Maybe. Let's see. Okay. Oh. Bob level. Hit. This is kind of frustrating. I would have paid the duck here. Just saying. So this would have been a potential winning trade. Well, it would have been a winning trade. Shucksy doodles. Oh well, it is what it is. Australian accent? No, I'm South African actually. Celestial, you think it's just gonna keep going down? We need to go to 249. 24900s, high life? What? Why? Why so far? Tears of prayer? Hi? What does that mean? What does that mean? What are you calling me? WWE fanboy, what's up? How's it going? Consolidation, we're going lower slowly. I'm getting you. Accent is awesome. Ah, thanks. We don't broke the zone. So you can destroy play on extremes. Yes, which drives me crazy. That's what I was doing this morning during London as well. Which is not great. It's my favorite cookie. Oh, awesome! There we go. Don't you think it's a fake breakout? Wait, is it now? No, not 10 yet. It's now 10. Let's see what it does at 10. Sorry, I gotta focus. Focus up, guys. Wow, this is some Game of Thrones stuff going on right now. This is what's happening here. Wow. Okay, wait. Here we go. Here, maybe the buyers have taken back some control. Again, I think I need to start doing this like it's a sports announcement. And here we go. The buyers have taken back into control. They're going up. Have we filled? Yep. There we go. We filled in that fair value gap. Now we're going. Okay, I'll stop. I'll stop talking. What concepts am I following? I follow some ICT and SMC concepts as well as auction market theory. Us 25362, my first target before buy. Damn, okay. Damn, you really think it's gonna go that far down, House? But I put my entry in long at 25600. So I follow cricket. I actually don't. I just know who AB de Villiers is. Oh, you're in London? Nice. Just imagine everybody thinking now so fast. Break lower slowly to closure. Jump or pump hard. Ben, is gold going up really? Last week I got short. When my target was next liquidity. Nice, Vino. Okay. Vega, what's up? Hey! Hey, Batty, what's up? Batty Michael. Sorry, I know that's probably not how you say it at all, but I'm going with it. I'm sticking with it. It's Batty Michael. I was expecting more from 10, to be honest with you, but I guess it is what it is. I guess it is what it is, so... I mean... Okay. Take 70% and then potentially start going back down. I think. Let's see if I'm correct. I mean, that would have been a win if I'd kept following it down. Which means that would have been my range. Not a very good one though, but me. It is what it is. Ken, I'm not using a fib. Hold the market, buddy. Honestly. Could have pulled 100k in the last 5 minutes. It's fishing cool. Did you? You know, I might get judged for this one. I'm not much of a sports person. Sorry. Like, I recognize some of those names. Not all of them. Yeah, I'm not much of a sports person, which I know is probably bad, but it is what it is. Rip, is it doing what you thought it would be doing? Or not really? Captain, kind of. There are emotions. I'm so sorry. This is how traders float. I don't know, is Bob still here? Bob? Bob? Let me check something here. Whoop. Interesting. Okay. Okay, Rip, I just opened your chat. I'll have to go into that in more detail now. I'm still just watching and waiting. First 15 minutes of the 10, sorry. Bob, we hit it to the freaking point. It was ridiculous. Do I look at any biotech? No, I don't, sorry. Sorry, kids fishing. Bam, bam, bam. Yizzo, what's up? How's it going? $600 POC and down. This is... I mean, right now this is not looking great for me, but we're gonna keep going with it and see what happens. It's like that play that I will put a 10 tick stop loss. Rip, am I the only one in this chat? Ripper kind of looks like it, hey? To be fair, I don't know where Geordie is. I think Geordie is hyper-focused right now. Hey, FX, what's up? I see trees of green. Celestial, where's your TP at, by the way? I didn't even ask. Celestial, what you gunning for? No. Oh, goodness gracious. Whoopsie. So, I love watching this and hate watching this because it makes me frustrated to know that I could have gotten in another, well, 2 other trades, technically. 1 to this potentially number 3. Let's see how this goes, but it did tap that bob level, so we never know. This could end up going back down. Rip is back. What's up? PM, you think this is a false signal? Some guy, what game are you playing? Sam, what's up? Gerde, hi. Can I just say, I cannot believe Boom Banana hopped on, said hi to Solly, and then left. Did you all see that? Was that just me? Thanks, Solly. Appreciate it. Oh my greatness. BMC now? Oh, that it was a false signal. Got it. I mean, was it not just kind of, I don't want to say consolidation, but kind of building up some liquidity before the big move, whatever the big move's gonna be? Sam, you think it's gonna go up? Hyper mode. We'll be back in here. Sure. Okay, no. So Geordie is on a mission. Which is a good thing. We'll all leave Geordie alone. We'll focus. Lactose, what up? Solly? Listen here. Listen here. That was rude. That was unnecessarily rude. Okay. Just so that I made myself clear. Unnecessary. Oh, this sucks. Well, if I'd used that range, it would have been a loss. Okay. What even is this? A massive drop, and now it's just fallen asleep and messing around, which is really frustrating. Oh, fuck. But if you're in gold mine, then Ben, is that for investing though? I'm assuming. Cheers, what's up? Cheers? Hi. Begin to do VS 12.8 and into 9.33 run to just below previous day low. Okay, okay then. Okay then. But I'm assuming you've taken out partials, right? December 4th, mine makes profit. Yeah, Sunfin, I make profit. Not all the time, but I do. I'm still learning. Things happen. Then it gives you sense of direction of where we could be headed, right? So 10, now you wait for the first 15 minutes. Correct. Okay, well, we're still waiting for the 15 minutes. We're on 12 minutes. 3 minutes to go. Let's do this. Boom, banana. Did I hurt you? Have I upset you? What did I do? My goodness. Clearly, I've offended you in some way. My bad. I don't know what I did. I'm third wheeling you two. Anyone can be in the 8595 accuracy level if you use bottom. Easy but boring. Never mind, my bad. I will be quiet. Boom. Honestly, took partials at the sell side liquidity at 12 at yesterday. 1 to 5. Nice. Nice. Okay. So either way, you're in the green. So well done, Celestial. Whoop whoop. Boom, are you in on this, by the way? Just, you know, before you yell at me again. Haven't taken out. Not yet. Gwen, no, I wanted to short here. But I feel like most of the move had already happened, and with the volatility I was waiting, which is maybe a mistake, but it is what it is. When did you short? What did I even do? I just got you. Boom, you rocked up earlier. You're like, hey, Solly. And then disappeared. Not even hi, Maya, no nothing. Just hi, Solly. And peaced out. No, not today. Ah, okay, Gwen, why not? Oh, sorry, that sounded rude, but you, yeah. Da-da-da-da, Solly. Maya, just jelly of the boys. Yeah, clearly. My bad. I am. I want to be part of the cool kid club, but apparently I'm not part of the cool kid club, so that makes me upset. I'm not. I'm treating him nicely. What did I do? I just said that Boom rocked up, didn't say hi to me, and then just bounced. Like a bouncing ball, which is mean. and you trade mostly in the early. Oh damn. Okay, and how was it? Whoop whoop. We happy? Gwen? Sam? This needs to drop in the next 15, otherwise I'm out of this. Okay. Have you taken partials though, Geordie? Have you fed the duck, if you will? I have to say hi to Solly. You haven't seen me in a while, Boom. What the heck, man? There's just some special treatment going on around here. We're not bad. Not bad? Just not bad? Last year I went long on POFCY at 0.05, then sold 1 year later at 0.045 for... Whoop whoop, bend down. Look at you go. That's amazing. The trade exited with a small profit. Gwen, green is green. Green is green, so that is amazing. Well done. That is winning, in my opinion. Tell the floor, let's see what happens now. Okay. Wow. 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 Listen here, Lucky Duck. Do you want to start a fight? You will probably win. Still. Gwen, how's my day been? My day, thank you. Nice and chilled, nothing too hectic. One win, lost it. Oh no, everyone's ganging up on me again. Why? What did I do? I didn't mean to. No, Sully, ask him why. Ask him why. Ask him why. I only made $14. Anyways, Queen. I am green today. I'm up $269 today. You don't sleep, you like me, 2 or 3 hours and I'm awake. Oh no, Alpha, I do sleep. I'm just in South Africa, so lucky for me, the trading times is during the day. Thank you, Evans. So I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up, Joseph? No, Boom, what the heck? That's not okay. Gwenfan, thank you. Alpha, good morning to you. Well, in South Africa, it is good evening / afternoon. Evening. Good RV. You look like you do... Is that math? Like calculations? Or are you trying to be mean and you're trying to say I do math? I got my teeth. I'm good. I never know if someone's trying to be mean to me or not, so me. Oh, mathematics, cool. There we go. Thanks. You're being nice, thank you. Oh, sorry for assuming. You just sometimes I assume the best in people and then people laugh at me because they did not mean that, so had to just make sure, you know. Cool. That's worse. What? How are you doing? Made any trades today? Curtis, I actually did. I had a trade during the London session. I considered taking this trade. Looking back, maybe I should have, but it is what it is. I missed it. It's fine. Again, it is what it is. But I had a win during the London session, so that's nice. I'm in the green for the day. What? Called my own nerd? I am fine being a nerd. That for me is a compliment. I wear the nerd title like a badge of honor. You trade volatility on penny stocks, 120% gain, yeah. Damn, Ben, nice. So what I'm hearing is you're gonna be offering up some sponsorships with all the mad cash you got, right? Just putting it out there, making sure. Yeah. Just kidding. you saw I had a tattoo on my leg. Which one? Boom. So I got, well, technically I have 3 on this leg and I have 2 on the other, but just little itty bitty ones on the other one. But I have 3. I have a big one. It's my anti-social butterfly, because I'm not a social butterfly. It's an anti-social butterfly. It's basically a butterfly, but there's a sword going through it and like flowers around it and stuff. Very cool, but it's my anti-social butterfly. And then lower down on my calf, it's basically I don't know if you guys know what a black-shouldered kite is. It's a falcon, if you will, or an eagle, or you know, whatever you want to call it. It's a bird of prey. Up living in Pretoria, I used to see them everywhere, and I used to drive people crazy. Even when I was younger, I used to point them and be like, black-shouldered kite, black-shouldered kite. I just saw them everywhere, and no one else ever saw them. So it's just, you know, it's like a fun little memory, if you will. But yeah, that's it. Oh, and then I have like a little, my first ever tattoo. It's a little line work horse kind of jumping. Even said thank you. Yeah. Yeah, it's a compliment. Hey, gamer, what's up? Hope you missed me always. I miss all of you guys if you're not here. And that makes me sad if you don't come and visit me every single day. So I'm talking a lot because I can't do anything with this. It makes me sad. So, you know, not really gonna focus. Okay, wait. It's been 15 minutes. Rip. It's been 15 minutes. Go on a date with the first person you'll meet tomorrow. If I guess your age correct in one go, and be honest. You know, I don't even mean to be that person, but like meet a stranger tomorrow? Is that what you mean? Because I don't get out of the house. The first people I see is like the people at the stable yard, and there's no guys there, and that's weird. Anyways, moving on. Another bad shit. Heyo, thanks, man. Just entered on NAS 100. Buy or sell, Curtis? No, Gwen. I used to live up there. I'm now down in KZN. Futures are going crazy today on precious metals. Then I'm gonna have to look. Hey, Lurk, what's up? How's it going? What up, Lurk? Need a pic of those tattoos? I'm on it. Boom. I'm on it. 42. Wow. Rude. I get it though, but still. Nah, I'm 27. It's a hawk. No, it's a hawk. Yeah, there we go. This isn't doing what I wanted to. Sorry, Geordie. It's bouncing. I could take along. In all honesty, it's chopping right now, so I'm not going to risk it until I get confirmation. I'm kind of sitting on my hands. Geordie, what did you miss? Not much, sorry. I wish I could say you missed a lot, but no. Sorry, Geordie, nothing cool. We're talking about the tattoos on my leg. She sounded like you late saying, yeah, rip, honestly. Aw. Is it Socket Mart? I'm glad you enjoy the background music. What pair am I on? Linz, I'm actually trading the Nasdaq future, so not technically a pair. Ew, outside people. Some guy. Exactly. Even those people are too much. Well, today there was a lot of people at the yard, so I went and I sat in the paddock with my dog. On Discord, I posted a picture. That is what I did. I didn't even go up to where all the people were. I was like, nope. I went and sat in the paddock with the horses and my dog. I was like, I'm okay. I don't want to go and socialize. Yeah. Why would I do that? Damage will fury. Touch bottom and yeah, I'm going to get it. Ben, okay, so I'm assuming you use AI model, right? Penny, I could introduce you to my nephew, hottie and successful. I mean, do people not have different opinions? Hey, yo, there we go. Geordie, is it doing what you wanted it to do now just because you got out of that trade? Asking for a friend. Okay, so this would have been a win. Now, there's a very high probability the low is in. If the low is taken, then touch cross. Okay, so now the low has been taken. Okay. Okay, no, Bob level stays. That can now stay. Taken out. The equal lows here? What is this level that I have? Oh no, I've made... This is the Yes, this is the imbalance that it was respecting hectically yesterday. I want to see how it reacts off of it and if it's still drawn to it. Is that a thing? Easy sell, whoop whoop, celestial, whoop whoop, indeed. Very salty about my bitty short. Don't worry, some guy. I'm a little bit salty that I didn't get in on this trade. It is what it is, right? It is what it is. Oh, Frank, don't worry. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Also, hi, Frank. Welcome. How are you doing? Welcome to the chaos. 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 Ooh. It only has 2 confluences for me. It's not an A+ setup. I don't want to risk potential silly trades when I'm in the green. How big is this? I mean, I could just always put it in for 1 contract. You know, no harm, no foul. But again, I'm not the biggest fan of him. Sid, I did not. Some guy, exact. But what is it that everyone always tells me? There's always another trade, right? There's always another trade. There's always another day. There's always another setup. You just carry on carrying on. Hey, Vega. Johan? Ice Jojo Snow. Hi. And Incognito. There we go. Why we bounced off yesterday's VWAP. You keep I'm sorry, is that a thing? Yesterday's... Did we? Sorry, I don't exactly trust my VWAP 100%, so I'm gonna have to take your word for it. Was it yesterday's VWAP or yesterday's first present? Nope, didn't not touch the first presented. Oh, thank heavens I listened to myself. Can you imagine? Oh, I would have hated myself if I'd done that. Wow. Okay. 10 points to Hufflepuff. Well done for not doing that to yourself. Opportunity is endless, capital is not exactly. So I'm like, not going sideways. What do you think it's going? Still keeping your entry at 25600. Dom, I love the, I want to say the commitment. Commitment is right. How are the shorts now? Okay, so because it now went and took out the lows after the 15-minute, it's now gonna turn bullish. Sorry, I am trying to understand, because 10-15 minutes in, it had not taken out the lows. It then went and took out the lows, and now this is why it's reversing to the buy side. Correct? Incorrect? Am I getting warmer, at least, or not even close? You can pull a one from anywhere with Anchor. Thanks, some guy. I don't know if I can on Project X. Project X is actually not that great when it comes to some things, but it's fine. Still inside of the opening range. Oh, that's okay, Michael. 1, 2, 3, 10, maybe hunt this liquidity above. Those are both taken. Expect drop and drop other expectation. Of the 10 candle? Like, just, are we talking exclusively the 10 a.m. candle now? I know this is probably more frustrating for you than it is for me. I'm It is starting to feel kind of bullish. Apple butter? Hey, Apple butter! You've been so quiet. Did you come say hi? If you didn't, I missed it. I'm so sorry. How are you doing, Apple butter?